Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're tearing down one of the absolutely biggest misconceptions in the modern trading world. We're taking the whole concept of prop firm bonuses and totally transforming it. We're moving away from that widely misunderstood internet myth and turning it into what it really is, a massive, highly calculated capital scaling weapon. If you've ever felt stuck or, severely undercapitalized, you're gonna absolutely love this.
Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever poured your absolute heart and soul into your work, only to realize that your reward is just completely capped? For so many working professionals, exhaustion is just the daily reality. And you combine that with workplace evaluations that are totally subjective, right? You're left wondering, is there anywhere out there where your skills are evaluated 100% fairly? Purely by the numbers, without a single drop of office politics or emotional bias?
Well, to answer that, we turn to the author of our source material. They actually started their journey in an incredibly grueling open kitchen cafe. They spent their days literally sweating over hot stoves, perfectly timing multiple orders, keeping a constant eye on the dining room, and instantly recalling all these complex drink recipes under extreme pressure. But here's the heartbreaking reality they shared. Quote, "No matter how perfectly I managed the chaotic open kitchen, my evaluation never moved beyond my fixed hourly wage." It's a really stark contrast. You have this immense, draining effort, met with a low, rigidly fixed reward.
So here is our roadmap for today. 1. The reality of effort and reward. 2. What a true bonus actually is. 3. Comparing 3 top-tier firms. 4. 4 steps to survive and win. 5. The traits of ruined traders. And 6. The path to earning the proof of a winner. We're going from diagnosing the exact pain point to the precise steps you need to execute and win.
Section 1. The reality of effort and reward.
When the author first escaped that kitchen and turned to trading, they hit a massive brick wall. Let's call it the undercapitalization wall. Just imagine you scrape together 50,000 Japanese yen, which is about 300 or 400 bucks, and you achieve a phenomenal 5% monthly return. Now in the trading world, 5% a month is top tier. But on a small account, that yields only 2,500 yen. You can't even buy a week's worth of groceries with that, let alone completely change your life. This agonizing math is exactly what forces serious traders to go out and discover prop firms.
Section 2. What a true bonus actually is. Now, what's really interesting about this concept is the massive disconnect between the internet's naive view of handouts and the cold, hard reality. If you search online, people think bonuses are just free magic money, referral cash, or unearned accounts. But the truth? A true prop firm bonus is a very strict, merit-based mechanism. It comes in 3 real forms: winning free challenge entries through tournaments, getting a 110% refund on your exam fee once you actually prove you're profitable, and the ultimate prize, which is 25% capital scaling increments. If you're consistent, they bump up your capital. It's not an unearned gift, it is a massive amplification of proven skill.
Section 3. Comparing 3 top-tier firms.
So, where exactly do you go to prove this worth? Our source evaluated 3 major players. First up is FTMO, the strict industry king. Honestly, surviving FTMO requires the exact same discipline as executing open kitchen recipes during a Friday dinner rush. 1 millimeter of deviation and you fail, but their scaling stability is unmatched. Second is Fintoki. They're noted for flawless Japanese support and massive free tournament prizes, making it a perfect gateway. And third is Funded 7, which is this ambitious newcomer offering extra incentives, particularly if you're a swing trader who likes holding positions over several days.
And this data brilliantly illustrates the exact recipe our author used in global tournaments. Notice that risk parameter, a maximum of 0.5% per trade. They use 5-minute and 1-minute timeframes to capture short-term volatility, keeping indicators incredibly simple. Just EMAs and an RSI to spot trends visually without cluttering the mind. But why that maximum 0.5% risk per trade? It's so you can literally survive 100 consecutive losses without blowing the account. Add in a strict 5 to 10 pip stop loss, and you have an absolute survival requirement baked right into the system. If you want to scale capital, you need to study and replicate this exact level of precision.
Section 4. 4 steps to survive and win. We have our settings, now we need execution. These 4 steps are directly compared to a chef's prep work. Step 1. Diamond hard entry criteria. You only trade when the time is right, like the high-volume New York session from 21 o'clock to 24 o'clock, where conditions are gram perfect. Step 2. Fix your MT4 environment. Set up alerts so you aren't just blindly staring at charts all day. Eliminate that mental fatigue, just like a chef organizes their workstation. Step 3. Treat daily loss limits as sacred rules. If you hit half your daily limit, shut down the computer and walk away. Period. And step 4. Weekend data analysis and self-dissection to ruthlessly find your weaknesses.
Section 5. The traits of ruined traders.
I need you to pay very close attention here. 95%. That is the shocking reality of how many beginners fail in the very first 3 days of a prop firm challenge. Why? Because they completely lose their cool. It's exactly like an overwhelmed cook during peak restaurant hours who drops a plate, absolutely panics, tries to rush the next order, and ruins the entire service. Once you lose emotional control in this game, you are already done.
Listen to this totally tragic story from the source material. A trader was up 10% on their account. They were right about to win, but on the last day, greed kicked in. They wanted to make just a little bit more, so they quadrupled their risk from 0.5% to 2%. The market reversed, they breached the strict 5% daily drawdown limit by exactly $0.01. 1 single cent. And because of that 1 cent, they lost their entire funded account, all their bonuses, and all that hard work vanished in an instant.
So the crucial point is that failing isn't usually about a bad strategy. It is almost always about psychological traps. Executing emotional revenge trades to win back a loss, that will kill your account. Loosely interpreting strict rules thinking, oh, the firm will forgive this one little spike, that will kill your account. But the absolute biggest trap, thinking in monetary amounts instead of strict risk percentages. The exact moment you think, I just need to make $300 to pay my rent. Instead of, I will risk 0.5% on this setup, you destroy your account faster than anything else.
Section 6. The path to earning the proof of a winner.
Let's move on and see how this builds into actionable, genuinely safe starting points. Do not risk your livelihood on day 1. Instead, enter free monthly competitions. This gives you zero-risk training against global talent. Or, start incredibly small with something like FintoK's low-cost micro plan to learn the heavy weight of managing strict daily loss limits without facing financial ruin. And hey, if fast-paced scalping causes you mental stress and makes you break the rules, shift to swing trading. Take one highly calculated trade a day. Just practice surviving the strict rules first.
I want to leave you with this final, deeply provocative thought from our source material today. Bonus is not the entrance, it is the proof of a winner. A prop firm bonus isn't a ticket in, and it certainly isn't a handout. It is the ultimate confirmation that you have mastered your emotions, strictly adhered to the rules, and totally perfected your risk management. In a world full of subjective evaluations, this is the one place where pure discipline scales your capital infinitely. So are you ready to take that first discipline step? Thank you so much for joining this explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.